Hi all. So today we are going to discuss few other topics. In our last video, I think we just gone through the stack connections and all. So I'll just give a brief idea about the stack connections of switches. In this picture, you can see this is a 9300 switch stack. Just for demonstration purpose, I have taken this. So there are three 9300 switches I have kept. Okay, these are not yet stacked. I just wanted to explain you. That's why I took this one. So this is the stack cable. You can see, right? By tightening the screws, you can make stack connections here. Okay. So the blue box, you can see this is where the stack cable goes. Okay. And the other point will connect to the next. And actually the connection should be in diagonal. Okay. I will show you that one. So this is the area where the terminal fits in. Okay, this point, this, and this. The third switch is uh, not stackable, but I just wanted to show you. Okay, imagine that also having a stack. Okay, so this is the cable connections. So you can see it's connected in diagonal manner. Okay, let's say 1 goes to 2. Okay, then 3 goes to 4. Then the last one, fifth, goes to the first one, 6. Okay, so this is how the stack cable connection should be made. It's not like the first terminal shouldn't be connected to the third terminal directly. Okay, the first terminal should be connected to the number 2 here as shown here. Okay, and let's say it's not only about 3 switches. Even you can add these to 4 switches or 5 switches in one stack. Okay, so in the same way you will connect diagonally 1 to 2, 3 to 4, 5 to 6, 7 to 8, and 9 goes to the first one. So likewise, in case if you have a 5 switch stack. Okay, actually we are increasing the switch sizes because we want to increase the number of ports. Okay, if number of users are more, if we want to add more users in one floor or like that, more users or can be more devices, cameras, printers, everything includes. Huh? I'm just saying, uh, I'm just informing as end users or end devices, you can call it. Okay. So as per that, you will consider how many switches you need, and based on that one, you will design your switch system. Okay. Just plan it accordingly. And here in addition, you can see the console port and management ports are shown in the 9300 switch. Okay, these details I will cover in a later video. And on your right, here you can see this is the power module area. Okay, the power module has been removed already, just for information I'm saying. Okay, and this one's is fan. You can remove it. You can push it here, and if you pull it out, it will come. Okay, and in today's session, we'll be having some more in-depth idea about fiber and SFPs and all. Okay. First of all, let's see uh, where the fiber is used in switches, where it's plugged like that. Okay. So in this picture, you can see here, this one is a 9300 and 3650 or 3850 something. Okay. Both switches are shown. In the upper one, if you see, you will find out here, this is the SFP. Okay. So SFP module has been plugged. Here in this green box, it's shown the SFP modules, how it's connected. Okay. And actually there is a clip. You can pull out the clip and you can remove the SFP module. Okay. I will show you what is SFP and in few other details included in the upcoming lessons. For now, I'm just doing an intro. Okay. So this is how the fiber will be connected. Okay. This is a fiber cable. It's been connected here. Okay. So let's say in fiber, in the sense, mainly it's used because whenever you need a fast transmission, even Ethernet is like 300 Mbps, you can go maximum. Okay. But in fiber, it's like 1 gigabit, 10 gigabit speed you can reach. So that's the reason mainly we are using fiber. And also transmitting, you can use like for long range transmission, fiber is used. Okay. And short range also, but I'm saying mainly. And this in fiber, the data is transmitted through light. So inside this cable, there's glass, and from there, the light will travel through the glass. And that's the reason the data being forwarded very quickly. Okay. So this is a fiber cable, brand new one. And you can see the specs here. I have hidden the serial numbers. When using fiber, you need to consider the type as well. In the terminal, there are different types. SC type, like square type is there, LC type is there. So here it's shown this one is a LC type one. It will be like a nose in the end. Okay. So it's like a triangle LC type. And the square type is different. I will show you. So here again it's a LC type. Okay. This one is a square type. So in the terminal, it shows it's kind of a square, so it's mentioned as square type. And here AC type connectors are connected to switches,